You may think that blurry vision in the morning, dry eyes when you wake up, or difficulty focusing at night are just normal parts of aging. But the truth is, your eyes are silently crying out for help. During sleep, your body enters a repair cycle. And this includes your eyes. Blood flow slows, oxygen delivery decreases, and the delicate tissues of the retina and optic nerve are left vulnerable. If your eyes do not get the right nutrients before bed, they cannot heal, and over time your vision weakens. I have seen seniors who believed glasses were the only solution, when in fact their eyes were starving for the very building blocks that could repair them naturally. The shocking reality is that what you eat before bed can either damage your vision further or give your eyes the tools to restore themselves during the night. In this video, I will reveal the powerful foods you should eat before bedtime to repair your eyes, protect your vision, and wake up with sharper, healthier sight. I will also share the science of how your eyes repair themselves at night, and the habits you must avoid if you want to preserve your vision for the years ahead. Before we dive in, if you have not subscribed yet, I recommend you hit that button and turn on the bell so you never miss another health tip made just for you. And if you enjoy this video, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0 so I know how to make better content for you. Part 1. Why your eyes deteriorate during sleep. The first truth you must understand is that your eyes do not simply rest at night. They go through a demanding process of repair. While you sleep, blood flow to your eyes slows, oxygen delivery decreases, and the thin blood vessels that feed the retina and optic nerve become more vulnerable. For seniors, this reduced circulation can be especially damaging because aging already weakens those vessels and reduces the body's ability to supply nutrients efficiently. As a result, your eyes often wake up drier, more fatigued, and less sharp. Many seniors assume morning eye problems are only due to age, but the science is clearer. When oxygen is limited, cells in the retina become stressed. The retina is one of the most energy-hungry parts of the body, consuming more oxygen per gram than almost any other tissue. Even short disruptions in supply can cause damage over time. This is why conditions like glaucoma and diabetic eye disease often worsen silently during the night. Another reason eyes deteriorate at night is tear film instability. Tears provide not just moisture but also nutrients and antimicrobial protection. During sleep, tear production slows dramatically, leaving the cornea exposed and prone to dryness or irritation. That is why seniors often complain of gritty, burning eyes in the morning. Furthermore, nighttime habits can worsen the problem. Eating heavy, unhealthy meals late in the evening raises blood sugar and cholesterol, making circulation less efficient. Drinking alcohol before bed dehydrates the eyes, while poor sleep quality reduces the release of natural growth hormones that support tissue repair. Even sleep position matters. Lying face down or pressing against a pillow can increase eye pressure, further stressing the delicate nerves. Over time, these factors combine to accelerate age-related eye conditions such as macular degeneration, cataracts, and retinal thinning. The good news is that deterioration is not inevitable. By understanding the unique challenges your eyes face at night, you can take proactive steps to protect them. This includes choosing the right foods before bed, staying hydrated, and practicing simple habits that give your eyes the nutrients and environment they need to heal. The truth is that your eyes are capable of remarkable repair, but only if you support them. If this explanation has surprised you, wait until you hear about the next part. where I will show you why nutrition before bedtime plays a critical role in fueling your eyes for healing while you sleep. Part 2. The role of nutrition in nighttime eye repair. The second truth you must understand is that what you eat before going to bed can either harm or heal your eyes. Your body uses sleep as a window of repair, and this includes the tissues that allow you to see, the retina, the cornea, and the optic nerve all rely on a steady supply of nutrients to recover from daily stress. For seniors, this process becomes more fragile because the efficiency of nutrient absorption and circulation declines with age. That is why nighttime nutrition is so critical. Certain vitamins and minerals act like repair kits for your eyes. Vitamin A, for example, is essential for maintaining the light-sensitive cells of the retina. Without it, night vision becomes blurry, and the risk of degenerative disease rises. Vitamin C and vitamin E are powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from oxidative stress, a process that accelerates while you sleep because circulation slows. Zinc is another key nutrient because it helps transport vitamin A from the liver to the retina, ensuring the production of protective pigments like melanin. For seniors, zinc deficiency is common, and without it, the repair cycle is incomplete. Omega-3 fatty acids also play a vital role. They support the structure of the cell membranes in the retina and reduce inflammation, which is a hidden driver of many eye diseases. Eating a small source of omega-3 before bed, such as a handful of walnuts or chia seeds, can give your eyes the building blocks they need during sleep. Lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids found in leafy greens and certain fruits, act as natural filters for harmful blue light and strengthen the macula, the central part of the retina that controls detailed vision. Consuming these nutrients in the evening ensures they are available while the body is in repair mode. But nutrition is not just about what you add. It is also about what you avoid. Heavy, fatty meals late at night increase blood sugar and cholesterol, both of which reduce circulation and impair oxygen delivery to the eyes. Alcohol and excessive caffeine interfere with sleep quality, which is equally harmful because deep sleep is when growth hormones peak and healing accelerates. In practical terms, this means that a small, nutrient-rich snack before bed can make a dramatic difference in how your eyes feel and function the next morning. Seniors who supply their bodies with these essential nutrients before sleep often notice less dryness, sharper vision, and reduced eye strain. The lesson is clear: your eyes cannot repair themselves in a vacuum. They need fuel. And the best time to provide that fuel is right before your body enters its nightly healing cycle. If this makes sense, wait until you hear about the next part, where I will reveal the specific foods seniors should eat before bedtime to give their eyes the strongest chance to repair and protect vision during sleep. Part 3. The foods seniors should eat before bed. Now that you understand why nutrition matters at night, let us talk about the specific foods that can help repair and protect your eyes while you sleep. One of the most powerful choices is blueberries. These small berries are packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants that strengthen the tiny blood vessels in your retina and improve circulation during the hours when oxygen supply naturally drops. Eating a small handful of blueberries before bed not only satisfies a sweet craving, but also fuels the eye's repair cycle. Another excellent choice is walnuts. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, two nutrients that calm inflammation and reinforce the membranes of retinal cells. Inflammation is one of the silent processes that damages the eyes at night, and omega-3 is like a natural shield against it. A few walnuts before sleep can make a difference in reducing dryness and supporting sharper vision over time. Leafy greens may not sound like a bedtime snack, but even a small serving of spinach or kale, perhaps blended into a light smoothie, provides lutein and zeaxanthin. These carotenoids concentrate in the macula, protecting your central vision and filtering harmful blue light from screens or artificial lighting. For seniors, who often spend evenings watching television or using digital devices, this protection is especially valuable. Eggs are another underrated food for eye health at night. The yolk contains both lutein and zeaxanthin, along with zinc, which helps transport vitamin A to the retina. A boiled egg as part of a light evening meal can deliver these essential nutrients in a highly absorbable form. Speaking of vitamin A, carrots and sweet potatoes are rich sources. Including a small portion of these foods at dinner ensures your body has what it needs to maintain the light-sensing cells of the retina, which are most active in low-light conditions. Some seniors also benefit from a cup of warm milk with turmeric before bed. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that supports circulation and reduces oxidative stress throughout the body, including the eyes. Milk adds protein and vitamin D, further supporting overall health and restful sleep. The important thing to remember is balance and moderation. These foods are not meant to be heavy meals that disrupt digestion, but small, nutrient-dense additions that fuel your eyes without burdening your body at night. Over time, seniors who consistently include these foods before bed often wake up with less dryness, fewer headaches related to eye strain, and clearer vision. The evidence is strong. Giving your eyes the right nutrients at night transforms sleep into a natural healing therapy. If this surprised you, wait until you hear about the next part, where I will reveal the simple habits you must combine with nutrition to maximize nighttime vision repair and protect your eyes for the years ahead. Part 4. Habits that support nighttime vision repair. Nutrition is the foundation for protecting your eyes at night. But food alone is not enough. Your daily habits before bed play an equally important role in determining whether your eyes wake up refreshed or damaged. The first habit is hydration. Seniors often reduce their water intake in the evening to avoid nighttime bathroom trips. But this leaves the eyes dehydrated. Dry eyes are far more common in older adults, and a simple glass of water 1 hour before bed can provide the fluid your body needs to maintain tear film and prevent irritation during sleep. The second habit is avoiding alcohol and excessive caffeine at night. Both substances interfere with deep sleep, the very stage where healing hormones peak and eye tissue recovery accelerates. Alcohol also dehydrates the body, worsening morning dryness. Seniors who skip that evening glass of wine or cup of strong tea often notice clearer vision and less eye strain in the morning. The third habit is limiting screen time before sleep. Tablets, phones, and televisions emit blue light, which tires the retina and disrupts melatonin production, making sleep shallower and repair less efficient. Turning off screens at least 1 hour before bed allows your eyes to rest from constant stimulation and helps you fall into deeper, more restorative sleep. The fourth habit is proper sleep posture. Pressing your face against the pillow increases pressure inside the eye and may worsen conditions like glaucoma. The safest choice is sleeping on your back or side with your head slightly elevated to promote healthy circulation. Using a supportive pillow prevents compression of the eye and optic nerve. The fifth habit is gentle eye hygiene. Washing your face and removing any makeup or debris from around the eyes reduces the risk of irritation or infection, both of which can worsen overnight. Applying a warm compress for a few minutes can also stimulate oil glands in the eyelids, improving tear quality and comfort. finally, consistency matters. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day trains your body to enter deeper sleep cycles, ensuring your eyes get the repair time they need. Erratic sleep schedules confuse the body's internal clock and reduce the efficiency of healing. When you combine good nutrition with these simple habits, you create the perfect environment for your eyes to repair naturally. Seniors who follow these routines often wake with brighter, clearer eyes, less morning discomfort, and stronger vision over time. The lesson is clear. What you do in the hours before sleep matters as much as what you eat. If this has encouraged you to rethink your nightly routine, wait until you hear the conclusion, where I will bring all the lessons together and remind you that it is never too late to protect and repair your vision. Conclusion: repairing and protecting your eyes during sleep. We have now reached the conclusion, and the message is clear. Your eyes are not simply passive organs that deteriorate with age. They are living tissues with an incredible capacity to repair themselves if you give them the right support. Seniors often believe that morning dryness, blurry vision, or difficulty focusing are inevitable signs of aging. But the truth is that much of this damage is preventable and even reversible. The first step is understanding why eyes deteriorate during sleep. Reduced circulation, lower oxygen delivery, and decreased tear production all create stress on the retina and optic nerve. Without support, this nightly strain accumulates, leading to worsening vision over the years. The second step is realizing the role of nutrition. The food you eat before bed can fuel or fail your eyes. Antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamins are not abstract nutrients. They are the tools your eyes use to repair themselves while you sleep. A small serving of blueberries, walnuts, spinach, or even a boiled egg can transform the quality of repair that happens overnight. The third step is choosing specific foods that target eye health. These natural, nutrient-rich options act as medicine, nourishing the retina and reinforcing the delicate vessels that supply it. Over time, consistent choices can slow down or even reverse the progression of age-related eye conditions. The fourth step is supporting this process with simple habits. Hydrating properly, avoiding alcohol and caffeine, limiting screen time, sleeping in safe positions, and maintaining consistent rest schedules all strengthen the body's ability to heal. Each habit may seem small, but together they create the environment your eyes need to recover fully each night. The most important step is believing that it is not too late. Your eyes still remember how to heal, even if you have lived for decades with poor habits. Beginning tonight, you can choose to fuel your eyes, protect your vision, and wake up with sharper, healthier sight. I encourage you to share this knowledge with someone you love, because many seniors silently suffer without realizing they can take action. Now, I would love to hear from you. What is one change you plan to make tonight to protect your eyes? Comment your answer below. Type 1 if this video has given you hope, or type 0 if you want me to improve. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss another health tip made just for you.